Did you ever hear about the student who studied on a tree? He wanted to get high grades. A little humor to kickstart our journey into the world of studying and productivity. But on a serious note, studying effectively is more than just climbing trees. It's about finding the right techniques and strategies that work for you. Now you might be asking, why is effective studying and productivity so important? Well, it's simple. The more efficiently you study, the more you learn, and the more time you save. Sounds pretty good, right? In this video, we're going to explore some of the best study skills and productivity hacks that can help you ace your studies. We'll delve into strategies like the magic numbered list, the Pomodoro technique, active recall, and time blocking. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of effective studying and productivity hacks. Forget the magic lamp. We've got something better, a magic numbered list. Yes, you heard it right, a magic numbered list, and it's going to be your secret weapon for studying more efficiently. Now, why is this format so fantastic, you might ask? Well, the beauty of a numbered list lies in its simplicity. It breaks down complex ideas into manageable chunks, making the information easier to understand and remember. Think of it as your brain's personal assistant, helping you to organize information in a way that's not overwhelming. Moreover, a numbered list gives you a clear pathway. You have a beginning, a middle, and an end. This structure can give you a sense of progress and achievement, as you tick off each point, boosting your motivation to keep going. So without further ado, let's unveil the magic numbered list. Ever heard of a tomato helping you study? Meet the Pomodoro technique. Now, before you start rummaging through your kitchen for a ripe red study buddy, let's clarify. The Pomodoro technique isn't about actual tomatoes, but about the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that the technique's inventor, Francesco Cirillo, used during university. This technique is a simple yet effective method of managing your study time and enhancing your focus. Picture it as slicing your study session into manageable pieces, just like you would slice a tomato. Each slice, or Pomodoro, is a dedicated, uninterrupted study period followed by a short break. So, how do you implement it? It's as easy as pie. Or should we say as easy as a tomato salad? First, choose a task you want to work on. Set a timer for 25 minutes and dedicate this time solely to your task. No distractions, no multitasking, just pure, undivided attention to your work. Once the timer rings, congratulations. You've just completed one Pomodoro. Now it's time for a 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, grab a drink, do a little dance if you want. These breaks help your mind relax and recharge, ready to tackle the next slice of your study session. After every 4th Pomodoro, treat yourself to a longer break, say 15 to 30 minutes. This longer pause allows for a deeper rejuvenation of your mental reserves. The beauty of the Pomodoro technique lies in its simplicity and flexibility. You can adjust the lengths of your study periods and breaks to suit your personal rhythm and the nature of your tasks. But beyond that, it's a technique that trains your brain to focus for short periods and helps you keep track of your productivity. It's a way to work with time rather than against it, transforming that ticking clock from a source of stress into a tool for success. So next time you're studying, remember, tomatoes aren't just for salads. Scene script. Think you can recall the last time you couldn't recall something? That's what we're fixing next. Imagine you're sitting in an examination hall. Your palms are sweaty, the clock is ticking, and you're desperately trying to remember that crucial piece of information. We've all been there, haven't we? Now what if I told you there's a method to make sure you remember information when you need it most? Let's dive into active recall. Active recall is a principle of efficient learning. It's not about simply rereading or highlighting important points. No, my friends, it's about bringing information to mind from your memory. It's like flexing your brain muscles, making them stronger over time. Here's a simple example. Instead of reading the statement, "The capital of France is Paris," repeatedly, try asking yourself, "What's the capital of France?" Then give yourself a moment to recall the answer. You see, by doing this, you're actively engaging your brain to retrieve information rather than passively reading the statement. Now you might be wondering, why should I bother with active recall? Isn't it enough to just go through my notes? Well, research shows that active recall improves memory retention far more than passive review. It's like the difference between watching someone swim and actually jumping in the pool yourself. You learn more when you're in the thick of it. So, how can you implement active recall? It's quite easy, actually. Start by asking questions from your notes or textbooks. Make flashcards if you like. After studying a topic, take a break, then try to recall the main points without looking at your notes. You'll be surprised at how much you remember. And don't be disheartened if you can't recall everything at first. It's all part of the process. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Just remember, it's not about how much you study, but how well you recall. So, there you have it. Active Recall, a powerful tool to sharpen your memory and boost your learning efficiency. Give it a try and you'll soon notice the difference. With Active Recall, your memory will be as sharp as a tack. If you've ever wished for more hours in a day, this hack's for you. Time blocking, a fancy name for an incredibly simple concept. It's like playing Tetris with your time. You've got the same number of hours in a day as everyone else, but with time blocking, you're going to use them more effectively. So what exactly is time blocking? It's a time management method that asks you to divide your day into blocks of time. Each block is dedicated to accomplishing a specific task or group of tasks, and only those tasks. Think of it as your personal itinerary. Instead of being reactive and attending to tasks as they come, you're proactive, scheduling your day around your priorities. But why time block? Well, it's a productivity powerhouse. It reduces the time wasted switching between tasks, increases focus, and helps you understand how much time you actually need for specific tasks. It's like having a bird's eye view of your day, week, or even month. You're not just working in your life, you're working on your life. Implementing it is as easy as pie. First, list your tasks. Then estimate how much time each task will take. Now start blocking your time. Remember, the key is to be realistic. Don't pack your schedule so full that there's no room for a breather. For example, if you've got a report due, don't just block off an hour. Consider the research, the writing, the revisions. Each of these components takes time. And remember, life happens. So ensure you leave some buffer time for unexpected events or tasks that take longer than anticipated. It's all about balance, work, rest, play. Time blocking allows you to see your day in full color, ensuring each important aspect of your life gets the attention it deserves. So are you ready to take control, to have a clear vision of your day, to reduce stress and increase productivity? With time blocking, you'll be the master of your own time. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and recap what we've learned. We've embarked on a journey of discovery, from the ordinary to the extraordinary, exploring the world of study skills and productivity hacks. We've seen how a simple numbered list can transform a mountain of information into manageable chunks. Remember, the magic lies in breaking down your tasks and tackling them one by one. It's not rocket science, but it can certainly help you study it. Then, we delved into the realm of the Pomodoro technique. This elegant method of time management, named after a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, encourages you to work in short, focused bursts. 25 minutes of solid work, followed by a 5-minute break. It's a simple cycle, but its effects can be profound. Our journey continued as we uncovered the power of active recall. It's not enough to just read or listen. You need to actively engage with the material. Question yourself, test your knowledge, and you'll find that the information sticks much better. It's like gluing the facts directly onto your brain, but without the mess. Then we ventured into the world of time blocking. This productivity hack encourages you to dedicate specific time slots for specific tasks. It's like setting up an appointment with your textbooks, ensuring you give them the attention they deserve. It's all about creating a structure that works for you. So, there you have it. 4 simple yet effective strategies to boost your productivity and enhance your study skills. Each hack, in its own way, can help you navigate the sea of information and keep you afloat in the waves of academic pressure. Remember, studying doesn't have to be a chore. With these hacks, you'll be hitting those high grades in no time.